everyone. We got something very interesting to try for you today. Guess what it is?
What is it?
Pig ears.
Woo!
Look at all that. It's got a little bit of meat. Look at that cartilage. It's got some nice spices on it. Mmm. Well, anyway, we're going to try this. Are you ready, Chad?
Yeah.
Alright, listen. Cheers!
Whoa.
Oh, cheers!
Cheers.
Cheers, guys. Mmm. Okay. Mmm. Yeah, yummy.
Oh.
I like it. It does have a crunch from what I believe is the cartilage from the pig ear. Has a nice sweet flavor. A little bit of a spicy ting. And it's delicious.
Yes.
What do you think? Yeah? Well, this is what Chad and I are trying. You can get these in an Asian market or an Asian restaurant. Some places, like maybe a barbecue place or something like that. Alright. Asian pig ears. Yummy! Thanks you guys for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed this little short video. You guys have a wonderful day. Love you.